In this lesson, we are going to create the mouse hover button. So when you mouse hover at the About Me button, it's actually working with the different styling for all the buttons that we have in our web page. Take a look at the subscribe button and also at the submit button. So let's go and learn how to do it in the Dreamweaver. So now let's look into creating the button into mouse hover for a different color. So go to Styles, CSS, into the global. So look for the button About. And what we do is we have to create a class right after button About. So click on button About and click the plus sign. So give back the same name, .btn, button. Okay, before you end it, give a colon and type the word hover. Hover, hover, enter. So for the hover button, we actually need this to turn to pink color, okay, suiting back the theme of my logo. So we're going to use the background color, use the eyedropper, and drop the area here, pink, enter. Click Show Set. All right, now save your work now, File, Save All, and Preview. So mouse hover, and this is all it takes. Okay, change the text as well, change to white, back to Dreamweaver, Show Set, click the text, apply white. Okay, now we don't need the alpha color, hence we can change it to hexa. Click the hexa for the white, so the code is #FFF. So enter. So same goes for Contact Me, can apply for the Contact Me button as well. So for the Contact Me button, click on the Contact Me button now. Ensure that you click the Styles CSS and into the global before you create any class selector. So click plus sign, type .btn contact, and make a colon, choose hover, enter. All right, now you want the same styles for the button contact. All right, you want the same style, so locate the button About Hover, click Show Set, right click, copy all styles, apply it into button contact hover. So right click on the button contact hover, paste styles. So we have applied the same styles for the hover contact as well. Okay, look at both of this. Now apply the same for the enquiry. So enquiry by default is already in pink, so we make it white where the mouse hover. So button enquiry would be button talk. So click on button talk, click plus sign now, type BTN, select button talk, colon, and select hover, enter. Okay, now for button talk, you would like to have the text in black. All right, and the background color would be white. You can make it alpha, choose RGB A and reduce the alpha to like about 70%. Enter. Click the Show Set to see what you have applied. Text in black, background color in alpha white. Now let's take a look when you mouse hover. This is how it's going to look like. Now, it will look nicer, I guess, if we have a border. Okay, the border for the pink and also changing the text color instead of black, maybe to pink right now. Click the eyedropper, look for the pink here, click on it. Okay, when you mouse hover, it changed to pink. And let's give a border here. So click on the border here and look for the all sides border. Adjust the width, pixel, change to pixel and make it one pixel, let's say. Can play around with the border radius. Now if you would like to change the radius for all, tidy it up all in the middle. Click once in the middle, tidy it up, and let's say you put 4 pixels for all rounded. Click Show Set. Let's take a look at the effect here when you mouse hover. It looks like that. Now what's your border color? You have to change the border color as well. The border color, let's make it to pink. Okay, enter. Now mouse hover. All right, we have to change the styles to solid in order to ensure that the effect appeared. 3 pixels is too huge, so just put 1 pixel. Right, mouse hover. So let's check again. Click Show Set. For the mouse hover button enquiry, the text color which is in pink, the background color which is in white. All right, and we have a border width of 1 pixel. The style is solid and with the color of the border in pink. Right, apply the radius as well, border. Now, if you would like to do that, please go ahead. If not, you can just delete it. All right, so next proceed to button subscribe. Click on the text selector for the button subscribe now. Ensure that you're in style CSS with global. Click the plus sign now. Type .btm. Select btn-subscribe. Type colon and type the word hover. You can see the indicator. Select the hover now. Okay, now you want the hover subscribe button, okay, to look alike the inquiry button. Hence, you go over to the button talk, hover, right click, and click copy all styles, and go ahead and click on your button subscribe, hover, and right click, paste all style there. So now let's check it out. Subscribe when you mouse hover, looks good. Now go all the way down and apply for any button that you have here, submit button. So button submit, click plus sign and type in button submit, colon, type in hover, select hover, repeat the same process, go to button subscribe hover, right click, copy all styles, and select button submit hover, right click and paste styles. Now go and double check now. Is it working? Yes, it is. So save all and preview. Okay, let's check out the button now. Mouse hover about me, mouse hover contact me, working well. Mouse hover inquiry. Now go all the way down, video content for the subscribe button, and mouse hover for the submit button as well. So go down to the responsive view for the tablet. Okay, 50% here to double check. Click on the burger menu, ensure both of these buttons is working well. Go to inquiry button to double check. Okay, subscribe button, working well. And go all the way down to the submit button. It's working well as well. Now go down to the mobile view. Okay, double check again here. Make sure both of these button menu under the burger menu here is working well. Go to the inquiry button. Go to the subscribe button. And finally go to the submit button. All right, so that's it for this lesson. We are going to proceed to creating the internal link, okay, for all these buttons. So see you in the next video.